One of the tools that you can't live without as a SaaS business owner is a subscription management platform. How you process payments, how high your fees are, how you manage and grow your recurring revenue is everything. So this video, I'll compare some of the best subscription management tools so you don't have to. So you're not gonna need to study these different tools, these different options, and bang your head against the wall trying to find which one's the best option for you, and learn how to best utilize them for your business. In this video, I'll be giving you all the information possible so that you'll be able to make an informed decision on which of these options will allow you to maximize your revenue potential. Number one, it has to be Stripe, the most famous one. Stripe offers a wide range of payment methods that you can use, and it's very straightforward to integrate to your monetization tool stack. A big pro is that it offers all the features you need to build and manage customers, to simple recurring billing, to more advanced options like usage-based billing and sales negotiated contracts. On top of that, its user interface is very, very friendly, and the learning curve is not steep at all. To put it this way, if you have simple transactions, you don't need to be a tech wizard maneuvering through complex setup, and there's no technical jargon to hold you down. As a cherry on top, being in the market leader position, Stripe is a reputable tool that you can trust. But there are a few downsides. Number one, Stripe doesn't allow businesses that fall under the medium and high risk policy to use their tools. So if you're building anything related to gambling, traveling, or even certain type of e-commerce businesses and crypto, you might be heading into trouble. There are numerous experiences from entrepreneurs who share their nightmare stories regarding Stripe on Reddit and Twitter, about their Stripe accounts being locked, money being locked for weeks on end, and sometimes they can't even get the money back, or just simply being shut down with no warning. So to be on the safe side, you want to make sure you go through Stripe's policies and terms and conditions, and lean on the safe side and double check before you start your business and choose Stripe as the subscription management tool. So you want to make sure you go through Stripe's high risk documentation policy. Con number two are the extremely high fees. It can get pretty expensive using Stripe. To give you an example, let's say you're pricing your tool, your SaaS service at $50 a month. You have 1,000 users. At $50,000 MRR, Stripe fees alone would be roughly around $600 to $700. But as you scale to say 30,000 subscribers, suddenly you're paying roughly $25,000 per month in fees, plus 0.8% of your revenue. And let's be honest, that's quite a lot. On the complete opposite spectrum, there's a new tool on the market that is paving its way forward, and it looks very, very promising. I've collaborated with them in the past, and the company is called OpenPay. Their value proposition is quite unique and interesting. They aim to provide an all-in-one tool that not only offers subscription management capabilities, but also adds subscription analytics and optimization into one tool. In plain English, OpenPay allows you to manage your recurring revenue while also providing a built-in analytics tool, giving you key alerts when certain metrics or indicators change. Additionally, you can also boost your retention using AI-powered cancellation flows, simplify credit card updates for customers, enhance failed payment recovery with advanced retry algorithms, and create personalized campaigns based on usage data. Effectively, the biggest pro of OpenPay is that you get to consolidate your entire monetization stack with one tool. No more integrations and different complex setups, making it impossible to add new payment methods without breaking everything. Another unique value add that OpenPay has is their smart payment routing. This feature helps you increase your payment acceptance rate, lower your processing fees, and easily switch between payment processors whenever you need on autopilot. Next is OpenPay is open for everyone. There are no high-risk policies and other rules preventing businesses from using OpenPay. Finally, OpenPay is quite affordable at 0.5% per successful transaction and a flat $199 per month fee. Both things stay flat, and OpenPay doesn't charge more as you scale. They're a pretty new company. This is their current pricing, so you might want to jump on it, lock in that legacy pricing before they increase it or change things. One downside is that OpenPay is a newcomer to this market, and you'll need to be patient as all the features aren't available as of yet, such as integrated subscription analytics and retention experiments. Currently, you have access to the subscription management and the smart routing feature. Next up is Recurly, another very popular choice in the market. Recurly stacks up most of the features you need. First, it has a very super easy to use user interface to get you started. One of their main strengths that you'll find from all their reviews is its flexibility and gentle learning curve. Number two two is they have very robust subscription and billing management features and have been in the market for almost 20 years. As for Recurly's cons, I have three in my opinion. One, they have very limited payment gateway support. That means you have very little flexibility and freedom to integrate multiple different payment gateways. Therefore, there wouldn't be any way to leverage payment orchestration and features like automated smart payment routing. You might also face transaction speed challenges as delays can occur. Second is they have very limited reporting capabilities too. This will push you having to get and integrate another analytics tool as their reports are just not good enough for that real-time insights you need. Finally, number three, they are lacking features for complex billing models. For example, they don't support many of the modern usage-based billing models. As for their pricing, the starter plan starts at $0 for the first 3 months and then $250 per month after that. However, for businesses that need more features and tools at their disposal, they'll need to book in a call with Recurly to get an offer for all the different tools they may need, talking to a Recurly representative, as their prices for all these extra features are not public. And finally, let's talk about ChargeB, another industry veteran with a solid reputation. As an industry veteran, you can expect them to have all the features you need. But I want to bring your attention to some of the features that stand out to me. Number one is their dunning feature that helps you resolve expired credit cards and improve payment processes efficiently. Number two, another pro is a straightforward user interface, fluid navigation, and strong options for integration and webhooks. This will make it easier to manage complex subscription models. Finally, number three, they also have solid support for offline payments. On the downside, I found that some of their users have reported having these problems. For example, one, they aren't PCI compliant, so they don't store your users and customers' credit card information. Instead, they outsource the storage of your customers' credit card details to another company called Spreedly, which means you're stuck with a fragmented tool and your sensitive data living in multiple platforms. It's also very tricky to manage subscription changes. Imagine you have a situation where you have a specific contract renewal and you have adjusted the terms to match the payment cycle. There aren't a lot of customizable options and reports that allow you to do that. You also don't have access to things such as smart transaction routing and the ability to leverage payment orchestration models. Last but not least is their pricing. The performance plan is $5.99 a month, paid annually, and the same average fee of 0.75% is charged monthly for all billings that surpasses $100,000 limit per month. Higher tiers more suitable for larger businesses have to request and call them for a quote. But you do have a starter plan that is free for your first 225 European dollars of cumulative billing, then 0.75% on billing. And that's a wrap. These have been the 4 go-to subscription management tools and some of their pros and cons. Let me know in the comments how you feel about them and if there's any other tools that you've been using that you think I should check out. Peace.